Well, hello Internet. My name is Naisha, and I am so blessed that you clicked on this video to learn about my channel. If you look around, as you can see, I'm not traditional in any sort of way on like anything. And I love to talk all day, and I can tell you and about myself and talk all day and yada yada yada. I talk all day with my job at a call center. I can take phone calls back to back like a ninja, no problem. So yeah, I can talk and I can talk fast. So luckily you guys have video, you can pause, rewind if you can't keep up. A lot of the info that you see, because I do digress, is gonna be like around my face. Boop, 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 right? But I'm just here to have fun. I'm here to be real with you guys. Like I was too lazy to put on makeup, to be honest. I finished my hair, I had to feed my baby, and I was like, boom, let's just do it. And I really have an important message to like get out to the world. So I really don't care what I look like, but I really wanted to show what I am about and what my personality looks like. So bing, I'm a weirdo. Um, you know what, alongside with my weirdness, I actually, my main diagnosis is complex PTSD, or also known as childhood PTSD. I'm the youngest of 8 kids, and my oldest, like my brother, who's only 2 years older than me and him were first generation United States, like born. And my parents immigrated from Ecuador to New York, and we lived in Brooklyn. So shout out to like all my Brooklyn people in New York. Hey fam. And then alongside of that, shout out to first generation American kids. Like, I feel your struggle, like cultural background in the household, America outside the household. It's confusing, and I'm here to like, uh, give my experience and hopefully find a community of people who also share my experience. My mom had me at 42 years old, and I was working with her as soon as I was about like 7 years old. I was her like translator. She didn't know English. Um, I followed her to all her jobs, like custodian jobs. I worked at, what was it? What are they called again? Sorry, my first language is Spanish, and English is my second language. So sometimes I get lost a lot. Oh, retirement home. So like I helped her in a retirement home. I helped her with custodian work. Um, I just helped her a lot. Like I was her assistant, I was her friend, I was like everything but her daughter, which like contributes to my PTSD, but like I don't blame her. I learned what it was all about. I am a mother of four now. I have three daughters and a stepson, and all three of my daughters have different dads, just like my first four siblings have different dads. And so like it's just unique situations, and I'm here to provide my education of experiences to you guys to make things easier for you with what I've learned, because I literally grew up with nothing, and I had to be creative on doing stuff that I liked, like arts and crafts. I had to just figure it out. I made my first dress when I was like 10 years old. I made this little hairstyle. I couldn't find something to loop the little thing around the donut thingy. So I grabbed an old sock and I cut it in a hole, and like I just like looped it that way with the bubble kid sock, like stuff like that. And I feel like that's something that a lot of people need to know right now, especially with a lot of people losing jobs and the economy. I'm here to help you guys get creative with like whatever's around your house, like not going to the store, spending at the Dollar Tree. Like I can show you how to make beautiful things out of what people think is trash. And so I'm super excited to like take you guys on this grand journey with me. And I can go on and on all day about like all my ideas and stuff, but like just follow me and I will be there with you guys for anybody who wants to learn more about my story, the arts and crafts I have, like anything about me. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know your feedback, and I just want to help you guys live simpler lives, like reduce, reuse, recycle. I know the basics of everything. Like I grew up as a worker. I'm an adult now. I feel like a child because I'm in a safe place where I can explore now. The first thing I explored that I didn't as a child is Naruto, which is why my bangs are cut like Hinata. So anyways, like I digress. Like I said, it's what I do. I very much once again appreciate you clicking on my video. comment below. And once again, thank you so much. Like, gratitude and love from me to you. I hope you guys are all safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.